Have you ever wanted to supplement your income and just never knew how to get started? Have you ever heard a lot of people talking about the stock market in general and you just looking like, because you don't really know what it's all about? Well, if you're one of those people, you're at the right place at the right time, because today I'm be taking you guys through how I got started trading stocks. Just a little bit about me: I do a lot of other stuff on the side. I'm 25 years old, and before I hit 30, I want to have about $10 million to my name, and that's not gonna come from my day job. So I know for sure that I need something extra on the side, and today the focus is just gonna be on stock trading. So let's get started. Starting to trade stocks can be very delicate, as you're about to put your money in something that you don't really know if it's gonna give you money or not. I faced the same exact problems when I was starting. Just for this trading exercise, I didn't want to put in a lot of money as I usually do, because if you have $2,000 on the line, you would definitely want to pay attention. But because I just wanted to record a video, I was only trading with about $152. So I'll be showing you guys how I made a couple of bucks on my $152. So let's begin. The first step, of course, is to download the app. So I went onto the app store and downloaded the app. The app's name that I currently use, it's one of the platforms that I use. I use a lot of other platforms, Ameritrade, Forex, but this one I'm talking about today is Robinhood. So you go into your app store, you type Robinhood, and you download the app onto your phone. When you download it onto your phone, it's gonna look something like this. It's a flexible app that lets you do a lot of things. That's why I currently use it. They don't typically charge you for any trades, but as you know, everything is a business and they gotta make money. So I can go into the details about how they make their money so you totally understand how the trades go in. But today I just want to demonstrate to you exactly how I trade, what I buy, and when I sell. When I started, I had about $160.96 in that account, and at the end of the trading day I had $168.86. So rewind a little bit. How did you do that, right? So imagine if I had $1,600. It only means I would have made about $80 yesterday, about $88 or so. And if I had more than that, obviously it means I would have made a lot more money. The stock that I currently trade is CRMD. Yesterday when I woke up, I did my homework and all that, and I knew that that stock was gonna go up. So what I did was I bought the stock a day before and I sold it a day after, and I made that $8.86. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because you do not need to have $1 million before you get started stock trading. In one of my upcoming videos, if you guys really do want it, I can interview a friend of mine that I introduced to stock trading, and he'll tell you guys about how he started. He actually put in only $5 when he started, and now he's got a lot of confidence to put in a lot more money. So if you need that, you already know I'm only a comment away. So drop me a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be sure to talk about that with you guys in one of my upcoming videos. And one very important factor that I want you guys to take out of today's video will be the fact that you can add different stocks to your watch list. What is a watch list? You have several different listed companies out there. A watch list is basically a list of a couple of companies that you're gonna be focusing on, the companies that you want to be studying. So you add those companies to your watch list. If you want a video on exactly how I do my research into what stocks to buy or what stocks to sell, drop me a comment. I'll be glad to make a video about that too. Now, if you're not in the US, I'm not exactly sure if you have access to Robinhood, but I'm pretty sure wherever you're from, you guys have some platforms you can use. I use Forex too, so if you use Forex in your country, drop me a comment and I can tell you one or two things about it too. I can also do a trade on there and show you guys exactly how I make money. If you have any questions about this video, drop me some comments below. Hit the subscribe button if you like what you saw. Thank you guys very much for your support. It's your boy Ye, and I'm signing out. I'm gonna be talking to you guys about how you can get started. How you can get started. Oh, damn.